Welcome back to my channel. This is Mac, and today we're working on, you guessed it, the Jeep. We have another install. So I had gotten this off of Amazon, and these are like little pouch systems for the trunk. It has like little zippers, little fanny pack looking thing. But figured we'll install this on the tailgate. And I'm assuming that there's probably some hardware that comes with this. There we go. Oh, rib nuts, our favorite. So we'll have to probably do some drilling and some rib nutting and install this. So I'll show you this, and then we'll kind of go over whether or not this is worth putting on your Jeep. I did think that these were going to be bigger, these pouches, when I ordered them, but yeah, you can kind of see a hand. Like this is, I guess you can put small things in here like tools or something. All right, let's go ahead and start tearing on the Jeep and putting this on. All right, so this is where it's going. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use these clamps right here to clamp it up. Then I'm going to mark my holes, which you can already see are here. Now, they give us hardware for 10 spots. Now the question is, the instructions say only do 6. So I'm going to put a couple extra in, probably put 8 in. Because I think I want ones on the side too. Just kind of have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 maybe. I'm not going to go straight on to an body mark right here. So I'm going a little above it and a little out of the way. And I avoid those right here. Same thing with down here and down there. It is wise to stretch it. So stretch the sack. Stretch the sack. The back plate. And then that way you know where you're going to put it. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and put this thing on now. Or start drilling. It says to use the 9mm drill bit. Something about this instructions, you'll need a rivet tool too. So, good thing I have one, but not everyone has one. Just for you guys' awareness, you will need a rivet tool for this setup, for this particular purchase. And of course, mine is right here underneath everything, but I'll dig that out, that way we can get this done. All right, this is the tool I have. I'll link one in Amazon. It's a 4mm. It's an M6. Comes with a whole kit, comes with everything I need. Next thing is, just gotta drill holes. Alright, I'm going to do that a bunch more times, but as simple as that. Oh yeah, I think I'm throwing the smaller one on the outside. you just pop these open and slide them in, I guess. Looks like you can actually strap other things to this thing. Kind of cool. Okay, so I'll be honest, it's not perfect. I use a clamp on the top section. If I had to do it again, I would have clamped the bottom section and stretched it completely out and then marked my holes. That way I don't have this kind of slack. You have to be very careful in this corner right here. There is some actual bracing that holds the door on. So I messed up over there a little bit too. So be very, very careful in this corner by the hinge. Other than that, the top looks perfect. Bottom, yeah, it is what it is. I mean, I could take this out, put it in a rib nut and slide this over, but it is what it is. All right, overall, I think this is all right set. I think this may hold maybe a small set of jumper cables, maybe. This will hold your little toolkit for your taking off your top. Little tools and stuff in here would be great. Maybe some Allen wrenches and stuff. But yeah, I think this is cool for holding small items. But yeah, I'll link a description on how much this was. I think it was like 60 something bucks. I don't know. But it wasn't hard at all. And if you have a rib net tool, great. You can get one from Harbor Freight. They're fairly inexpensive. But yeah, that's it. Let me know what your thoughts are. If you would, it was either between this or one of those trays that pop down for camping. I think this would be more useful for the wife. But let me know what you would have got. All right. Until next time, guys, have a good one. Thank you.